How to connect Messenger to Instagram. In order to connect your Messenger to Instagram, you need to connect your Facebook first because Facebook and Messenger are interconnected. So in order to do that, click right here on your profile icon, then click on these three lines. Then from here, you can see this Meta Account Center. So just head over and then click on that option that you can see right here until it actually opens. So once it's open, you should be able to connect right here your Messenger to Instagram. So let me just head over and then click on it right here. So just wait for this to finish loading. And then once it opens, just scroll down all the way to the bottom until you can see this option for account. Click on this accounts right here. And then you can see in here my Instagram. So let me click on this add account. Then click on this add Facebook account. And then click on continue. And then you can see right here that it will add this Facebook account that you have right here for TRC. So click on continue and click on allow finish and adding. So you can head over and then click on that just there and you should be able to connect your Messenger to Instagram. So that's how you connect Messenger to Instagram. Hope we helped.